What's up, guys? No one see the title, you know, no one see this beautiful thumbnail and I say, yes, me like this. I like this curry potato, guys. If you're a vegetarian and you don't like meat, you can do this and you don't miss your curry chicken. Here are all my nice ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have scallion, thyme, pepper, onion, garlic, some butter, curry, you know, say curry, have to have a curry, salt to taste, black pepper, and our potato. Right, so come guys, I'm gonna put this nice, simple, delicious curry potato together by peeling my potatoes. Wash them already, but after you peel them, if you want to wash them again, you can wash them again. Alright, I always wash my vegetables and stuff before I start to handle them. I'm gonna use some of the leaves from the thyme. Little pepper to taste, not a lot. Season my potatoes. Want a little black pepper. Not a lot. A little salt to taste. I'm just gonna use half tablespoon of curry. Less than 2 pounds of potatoes, so I don't want it to overpower with curry. And I just saute my curry. Just coat every piece of potato with the curry and the seasoning and let everything just come together. Turn on the stove on a low heat. Alright. Smells so nice already. And guys, use butter. Use some butter or you know when you use cooking oil, you're gonna get that nice rich flavor. You know, potato, so you use the butter to get that nice creamy rich flavor. Alright, so I'm gonna cover it. Turn it down on a low heat. Let it steam up it whole, get its own juices. Alright. This is so beautiful. Beautiful. Lovely. All the vegetarians, put your hands up. Yeah. Don't want to put too much water because I don't want to stop the temperature. I didn't prepare any warm water, so you know, just throw a little at a time and cover it down back. Alright. Wow. Coming along. Wow, gummy and nice and rich, creamy, all the good things. Alright, so wow, yes. Soon done cook, man. Yes guys, it's gonna be so nice. Guys, tell me if you ever had curry potatoes and how you like it. Yeah. Let's make it cook for another 2 minutes. Yes guys, this is it. It's finished. I'm going to turn off the stove because I don't want it too dry. I want some juice. Nice, gummy, creamy. Yes guys. Remember to taste it hot. Don't be afraid to taste your food. Don't be afraid. Alright. Nice. Oh, nice guys. If you have to just taste it with me. Taste it. Guys, you could just taste it, so nice. So here's the final dish, guys. I hope you all enjoy this video, guys, and if you enjoy this video, just give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. See you all in the next video, and bye.